You type an address or click a bookmark you've used 100 times and Chrome comes back with nothing. This site can't be reached. Chrome couldn't find the web page you're looking for, and underneath it, the code error name not resolved. Chrome Story has been decoding this browser since 2009. This one means Chrome asked for the address behind that name and never got a usable answer back from anywhere it asked. A lot of guides list 10 things to try with no order to them. Here's the fix in the order that actually finds the real cause, starting with the 30-second check that tells you where the problem actually lives. Before touching a single setting, find out how big this is. Try 2 or 3 other sites in a new tab, and if you can, check a phone on its own mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi. If every site fails on every device, the problem is your network or your DNS server, and everything below applies. If it's one device, one browser, or one specific site, that narrows it fast, and you can skip straight to the extension and cache steps instead of touching your router. Start with what Chrome itself remembers. Type chrome://net-internals/#DNS into the address bar and click Clear Host Cache. Chrome keeps its own separate list of resolved names apart from the operating system, and a stale entry there is a common quiet cause. While you're in Net Internals, go to the Sockets tab, chrome://net-internals/#sockets and click Flush Socket Pools to. That clears the open connections built on the bad lookup, so the next attempt starts clean instead of reusing a broken one. Now flush the cache your operating system keeps, which is a completely separate list from Chrome's. On Windows, open command prompt and run ipconfig//flushdns. On a Mac, open terminal and run sudo dscacheutil -flushcache, then sudo killall -hup -mdns responder. Both commands force your computer to ask fresh instead of trusting what it already has cached, and a corrupted entry there will produce exactly this error no matter how many times Chrome retries. Here's one that surprises people because it looks like a privacy setting, not a networking one. Go to chrome://settings/security and look for Use Secure DNS. If it's set to a custom provider like Cloudflare or Google, Chrome sends every lookup straight to that provider instead of whatever DNS server your network hands out. That's fine on your home Wi-Fi, but on a work network, a school network, or a hotel connection that resolves its own internal names, the public provider has never heard of that address, and Chrome reports it as not resolved. Switch it to with your current service provider or turn it off and try the site again. If it's every site and the fixes above didn't touch it, the DNS server your network is handing out might just be down. Change it. On Windows or Mac, open your network settings for the connection you're using and set the DNS servers manually. Google's public DNS is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Cloudflare's is 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.0. Either one resolves independently of whatever your router or your provider is running, which makes this the fastest way to tell if your own provider's DNS is the actual problem. There's a much smaller file worth a 30-second check because it silently overrides everything else for one specific address. It's called the hosts file, and on Windows it lives at c:/windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts. On a Mac or Linux, it's at /etc/hosts. Open it in a plain text editor. If there's a leftover line pointing that one domain at an old or dead address, often from some tool that added it and never cleaned up after itself, delete that line and save. If you're on a VPN, disconnect it and try the site again before anything else. A VPN routes your DNS requests through its own servers, and if that server is slow, overloaded, or just doesn't know about a given name, you get this exact error, even though your home connection is completely fine. It takes 10 seconds to test and it rules out an entire category of causes at once. Extensions are next, specifically anything that touches network requests or claims to speed up browsing. Type chrome://extensions into the address bar and toggle everything off at once. Then reload the page. If it works, turn them back on one at a time until you find the one responsible. It doesn't have to be malicious to cause this. It just has to be sitting between Chrome and the lookup. One more isolation test before you touch your router. Open a brand new Chrome profile, the kind with none of your extensions or settings carried over, and try the same site there. If it loads fine in the fresh profile, the cause was sitting in your main profile the whole time. Most likely an extension or a secure DNS setting you changed once and forgot about, not your network at all. If it still fails in a completely clean profile, the problem really is outside Chrome. Last resort, and only if it's every device on your network failing the same way, restart your router. Power it off, wait 30 seconds and power it back on. Most home routers cache DNS too, and a stuck entry there behaves exactly like a stuck entry inside Chrome, just one layer further out. If the router restart doesn't fix it either, and it's genuinely every device, the DNS problem is on your internet provider's side, and switching to Google's or Cloudflare's public DNS from the step above is the actual fix, not a workaround. One more thing worth knowing so you don't chase the wrong fix. If Chrome's own DNS probe actually completes and comes back saying the domain doesn't exist at all, that shows up as a different code, DNS_probe_finished_NX_donorema. And it usually means a genuine typo or an expired domain rather than a resolver problem on your end. This error is different. It means Chrome never got a usable answer from anywhere it asked, which is exactly why working through causes in order matters more than guessing at one. So, in order, check whether it's one site or everything, on one device or all of them. Clear Chrome's own host cache and flush its socket pools. Flush your system's DNS cache. Check whether secure DNS is pointed at a public provider that can't see your network's own names. Try a public DNS server if your own network's is unreliable. Check the host's file for a stray entry. Rule out your VPN. Isolate a misbehaving extension. Test a fresh profile. And restart the router if it's every device every time. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.